Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to invite someone to Trello board. So first of all, you have to open up your web browser and then log into your Trello account. Once you are on your account, you have to open your board on which you want to invite someone. Now on your board, first of all, what you have to do is that you have to click on the share button that is present at the right side of your screen. Now on the share section, you have two methods to invite someone on your board. First, you can enter the email of that person or the name. Then you simply have to click on share. The other method is that you can create a link by clicking on this button. Then, as you can see, the link is now copied on my desktop. So now I very simply have to send this link to that person who you want to invite on your board, and once they click on that link, they will be redirected to your board. So everyone, that's how you can invite members on your Trello board. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.